If you're tired of watching your digital products flatline and you're wondering how to convert those one-time buyers into repeat customers, I want to help you cut through the noise and add email marketing in your digital product strategy. So this is the first episode of an 8-part series where I'll be covering all the ins and outs of creating an email list, growing it, and using it to sell your digital products. In this video, I'll be sharing 7 pretty important reasons why email marketing is pretty essential for boosting your digital product sales. But before we jump into all of that good stuff, if you're new here, my name's Jen and I create educational content to help you build, launch, and grow a successful online business. Email marketing has been around for decades, as I'm sure you know, but it continues to be one of the most effective ways to connect with potential customers and actually boost sales. In fact, research has shown that email marketing has an average ROI of 4,200%, meaning for every $1 spent on email marketing, businesses are really typically seeing an average return of $42. Now, those numbers are pretty impressive, right? Email marketing is pretty much all about sending commercial messages to a group of people via email. And these messages can be anything from newsletters and promotional offers to personalized content aimed at nurturing leads and building relationships. And the goal here is to convert prospects into paying customers and turn those customers into your loyal tribe. Now let's dive into the 7 reasons you should absolutely be using email marketing to sell your digital products. So the first reason is that email gives you the opportunity to directly connect with your audience, allowing you to offer potential customers exactly what they need when they need it. Emails are pretty personal, which means that they can be tailored to individual preferences, which makes your audience feel valued and understood. So unlike social media platforms where algorithms can limit the reach that your content has, email goes straight to your subscribers' inboxes, which means you have a higher chance of actually getting your message across and engaging with those potential customers. All you need to do really to become successful at email marketing is learn how to craft compelling subject lines and valuable content that you know is going to keep your subscribers interested and engaged. Also, this direct communication allows you to build a deeper relationship with your audience, which ultimately leads to you being able to sell more of your digital products. Next, email marketing is a great way for you to build trust and establish yourself as an authority in your niche. And by consistently delivering valuable content to your subscribers, you're actually positioning yourself as that go-to expert for information. What I've pretty much learned over the years is that when people trust and respect your opinion, they're more likely to purchase the products and services that you recommend, which again can translate to more sales of your digital products. Plus, with email marketing, you get to show off some of your social proof, and that includes things like testimonials and your reviews, and this really helps you to be able to build trust with your brand. These testimonials and reviews can help you to highlight the great experiences of customers that you already have or customers that you've already served, giving potential clients real-life examples of what your products or services can actually do for them. And by sharing this kind of feedback regularly, you can create a stronger and more trustworthy relationship with your audience, encouraging more engagement and more loyalty. Right, so number 3 is customer education. So digital products often need a little bit of explaining to help potential customers understand exactly what their value is and how they can benefit from them. And this is where email marketing can come in really handy, because you can use your emails to educate your subscribers about the features and benefits of your product and share customer success stories and even offer helpful tips and tutorials on how to use your products effectively. Now, by providing valuable information through email, you're also helping potential customers make informed decisions about pretty much whether or not they're going to want to buy your product or not. And this not only increases the chances of you actually making a sale, it also helps to reduce the risk of returns or of negative reviews from customers who might have misunderstood what it was that they were purchasing. And we all know that these can really hurt when it comes to future sales. Next, I want you to keep in mind that not everyone is going to be ready to purchase your offer straight away. And what email marketing allows you to do in this case is nurture those leads over time, carefully guiding them through your funnel and to the point where they get to that stage where they actually make the decision to buy. So what this essentially means is that through strategic email campaigns, you can actually keep your products and brands top of mind for potential customers until they're actually ready to make that purchase, which really does help when it comes to increasing conversion rates and boosting your overall sales. Right, before we move on, I want to tell you about something super exciting that I want to share, which is my free email marketing guide. So this email marketing guide is pretty much packed with strategies that will help you to sell your digital products through email marketing, and you'll find the link down below in the description for anyone who wants to grab that. Okay, so next, email marketing allows you to upsell and cross-sell your digital products to existing customers. So once someone has actually purchased from you, they've already shown an interest in what it is that you have to offer. And by continuing to provide them with valuable content and by showcasing other related products and also other add-ons as well, you can potentially increase the lifetime value of each customer. So for example, if someone has purchased your online course, then you can maybe upsell them on a more advanced course or even offer them some kind of complimentary offer or product like additional workbooks, workshops maybe, or you can even offer them one-to-one coaching sessions or even group coaching sessions. So the sixth reason that you should be using email marketing to sell your digital products is because it helps you to increase customer retention. So email enables you to easily stay in touch with your existing customers while you provide them with updates and valuable content and continue to offer them exclusive deals or discounts. And the reason this is super important is because by keeping your customers engaged and satisfied, you're actually increasing the chances of them becoming repeat customers and making additional purchases or future purchases down the line. And then last but definitely not least, one of the best parts of email marketing is that you can automate it. So with the use of email marketing software like ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, who I use for my emails, you can set up automated email sequences which are based on triggers like sign-ups and also purchases. And what this means is that once you have your email campaigns actually set up, they'll continue to just run in the background, which frees up your time so that you can focus on creating more digital products and also growing your business. Also, as your list grows, you can easily scale up by sending emails to a larger audience with just one click. So imagine being able to reach hundreds or even thousands of people, of potential customers, in literally the click of a button in seconds. Plus, by segmenting your list, you can customize your messages for specific groups, making your email campaigns more relevant and effective. This not only boosts engagement, but also helps you to build stronger relationships with your audience. So with all that said, it's easy to see why email marketing is a super powerful tool when it comes to selling your digital products and growing your business. It allows you to connect directly with your potential customers, build trust and authority, educate your customers about your products, and also nurture your leads. And it creates opportunities for you to upsell and cross-sell and even retain customers and easily scale your business. So if you're not already using email marketing when it comes to advertising your digital products, you definitely have to start, right? And now's the perfect time. And if you want to know the exact strategies to use to build and grow your email list, then I would recommend saving this playlist because I'm going to be covering everything you need to know when it comes to email marketing for your digital products. So if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And if you do, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the next episode where I'm going to be diving into understanding and identifying your target audience, which is pretty much the foundation for everything else we're going to be covering. So I'll see you in the next video.